everybody. How's it going? I'm wearing these pretty earrings. Got back from going food shopping. I got this adorable torch for my son for something. So cute. Smells like Play-Doh. Excuse me. If anybody cares, this is my ashtray for a few days. All those.